Today I'll show you how to set up an integration between your WooCommerce webshop and your Shipmondo account. By setting up an integration, you can automate your workflow and Shipmondo by importing all of your order data. This way, we'll know what the weight is and who the sender and receiver are, without having to type it all in manually when you're booking shipments. Let's get started. First, we're going to get some API keys so you can connect the integration. To do that, you have to be logged into your WordPress site. Now go to WooCommerce and then Settings. Then click Advanced and select REST API keys. In here, you click Add Key and give it a name. Remember to set permissions to read and write. Then click Generate API Key. Now you have a consumer key and a consumer secret. Copy and paste these keys into a text editor or a notes program so you don't lose them. You can't access the keys once you leave this page. The next thing we'll do is check the permalink settings. Click Settings in the bottom of the menu and then Permalinks. Make sure that you haven't selected the permalink structure plain. Now go to WooCommerce and then Settings. Under the General Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and make sure that the number of decimals is set to 2. If you set it to more than 2, it can cause issues with the integration. Now set up the integration in your Shipmondo account. Once you're logged into your account, go to Settings, Integrations, and then Orders. As you can see, we don't have any integration set up yet. To set up the integration, click the plus button in the bottom right-hand corner, then select WooCommerce as the platform. Now type in your API URL here. Your API URL is your website URL. Remember to put HTTPS in front. Without it, the integration will not work. Next up, you have to copy-paste your API keys. Put the key into the API username box and the CSS key into the API password. Now select whether you want to import to orders or import to drafts. We recommend import to orders as you will get all the features of the integration. If you want Shipmondo to update the order status to completed when you book a shipment on an order, you can select Update Order Status on Shop. You can also have Shipmondo transfer the track and trace data to the orders. These features are, however, optional. Once you've selected and set up everything, click Create and continue and wait for it to connect. This may take a while depending on the responsiveness of your web shop. And there we go. The integration has now been set up, and orders will start appearing in Shipmondo. And that's it. If you have any troubles or questions, please don't hesitate to call or email us.